So this was done after a fresh install. Got it back from the Apple Store a couple days ago. As you can see, the expose, I forgot what it's called, that feature is not working. A second ago the mouse was frozen on the screen, but now I am able to move it. I'm not able to switch between applications, and the only ones that are open are Mail and this Dropbox sign-in page just opened up. But these are the only two that are running. I wish I could show you the other ones, but this happens a lot. And the reason I'm taping this is because I can never get this to happen at the Apple Store. So, dock is not showing. Let's try the control option, escape. The task manager is not available. Let's see if any of these menus are available. They are not available. Nothing. So this is my computer these days, and this happens very often. I need this to stop. Thanks.